Scotland's greatest underdog victory happened in just 2 days. In 1314, Robert the Bruce faced the largest English army ever sent into Scotland. Led by King Edward II himself, Bruce opened the battle by killing England's champion in single combat with one swing of his axe. The English outnumbered the Scots 3-1, but the battlefield favored Bruce. The ground was swampy, perfect for trapping the powerful English heavy cavalry. Bruce then unleashed his secret weapon, Schiltrons, massive formations that created a forest of deadly spears. The English knights crashed into them and shattered. Panic swept through the English ranks. Pinned, drowning, and crushed, their army collapsed. In just 2 days, Scotland achieved the impossible. The English fled, and Scottish freedom was reborn. This was the Battle of Bannockburn, the battle that defined a nation. Like and subscribe for more epic history.